Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, ever dreamed of tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement? That's exactly what a Roth IRA offers, making it an incredibly powerful tool for your financial future. It lets your money grow completely free of taxes, and then you can withdraw it completely tax-free once you hit retirement. Plus, there's amazing flexibility with your contributions too, making it a truly smart choice for building long-term wealth. Before you dive in, let's quickly check if you're eligible. Roth IRAs do have income limits that change each year, so it's always a good idea to check the latest IRS guidelines. You also need to have earned income, meaning money you've made from working, to contribute. The great news is, there's no age limit on contributing, as long as you meet those other two important criteria. Okay, now for the exciting part, choosing where to open your Roth IRA. Many online brokerages offer these accounts, so you'll want to compare a few options. Look for providers with low or no fees and a wide range of investment choices that fit your style. A user-friendly platform will also make managing your account much easier, so pick one you feel comfortable navigating and using regularly. Once your account is open, it's time to fund it and get your money working for you. You'll contribute money directly into your Roth IRA, usually from your checking or savings account. Remember, there are annual contribution limits set by the IRS, so be sure to stay within those guidelines each year. Many people find it helpful to set up automated transfers, making regular contributions effortless and consistent throughout the year. The final, crucial step is investing the money inside your Roth IRA. This isn't just a savings account. It's an investment vehicle where your money grows. You'll choose specific investments like stocks, bonds, or exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs, that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversifying your portfolio is key, aiming for long-term growth within this powerful tax-advantaged account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.